Here's our first fire at the new house. There's the new house up on the hill.
Sweaty. Sweaty.
Daddy. And we have Owen giving Porter the business. Owen, can you say hello?
Owen, say hi to mommy. Hello.
There's Puppy waiting for me to throw the ball. That's the house up on the hill. It's our first fire in the lake. A little bit low right now. Oh, and what do you have to say? Where's Porter? What's Daddy doing? Can you throw Puppy's ball, Owen? Can you throw that? Puppy, can you sit? Good job. Let's see you throw it, Owen. Are you throwing it? Okay, good throw. There's Frankie in the carrier. Can't really see him because he's in the carrier. He's 3 weeks old yesterday.
I know.
Nice fire.
Nice fire. Early September. It's not August anymore. We can have fires.
That's right.
It is very hot.
That's all the yard over there too. So, yay stuff. Bye bye, Owen. Are you gonna go night night? Okay, I won't say that.
No, you don't have to.